Hi friends, welcome to Exam Truth YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about important branches of biology. So this is very important topic. In every competitive examination you will get one or two questions on this. So let us go into the video. Branches of biology. First one, hypnology, study deals with the sleep. Study which deals with the sleep. Okay, hypnology is nothing but study which deals with the sleep. Next one is apiculture. Apiculture is nothing but cultivation of honeybees. Okay, management and cultivation of honeybees. Sericulture, management of silk industry and culturing of silkworms. Management of silk industry and culturing of silkworms. Next, pisciculture is nothing but study which deals with the rearing of fishes. Rearing of fishes is nothing but pisciculture. Next one is phylogeny. Phylogeny is nothing but study which deals with the evolutionary relationship and the different groups of organisms. Phenology, study deals with the evolutionary relationship among different groups of organisms. Right? So we will move to the next one. So here malacology. Malacology is nothing but study of molluscs and their shells. Okay. Next one. Myrmecology is nothing but Myrmecology is nothing but study of ants. Next one, lepidopterology. Lepidopterology is nothing but study of moths and butterflies. Melanology is nothing but study of pigments. Melanology is nothing but study of pigments. Entomology, study of insects. Entomology, study of insects. Zymology, study of fermentation. Study of fermentation. So we'll go to the next. Ethnology. Ethnology is nothing but study of mankind. Calology, study of human beauty. Venerology, study of dreams. Ethnology, study of behavior of animals. Dendrology, study of shrubs and trees. Dendrochronology is nothing but study of age of plants by counting the animal or growth rings. Okay. Next, kinesiology, study of muscle movements. Okay. Next, pathology, study of diseases caused by organisms. Virology, study of viruses. Next, tropology, study of nutrition. Tectology, study of structural organization of body. Next, phenology, right? So this is phenology. Study deals with the organisms as affected by seasonal climates. Okay. Bacteriology is nothing but study of frogs. Hepatology, study of reptiles. Ophiology, serpentology, study of snakes. Saurology is nothing but study of lizards. Ornithology, study of birds. Next, neontology, study of newborn up to 2 months of age. Okay, neontology. Gerontology, study of growing old. Next, traumatology, study of wounds and tumor. Next, arthrology, study of joints. Chondriology, study of cartilage. Myology, study of muscles. Neurology, study of nervous system. Dermatology, study of skin. Rhinology, study of nose. Trichology, Trichology, study of hairs. Nephrology, study of kidney. Corneology, study of skull. Hematology, study of blood. Angiology, study of blood vascular system. Enzymology, study of enzymes and their activities. Serology, study of blood serum. Hepatology, study of liver. Pulmonology, study of lungs. Ophthalmology, study of eyes. Osteology, study of bones. Anthology, study of flowers. Floriculture, cultivation of flower yielding plants. Olericulture, study of cultivation of vegetable yielding plants. Pomology, study of fruits. Silviculture, study of cultivation of timber yielding plants. Bacteriology, study of bacteria. Cardiology, study of heart and its functioning. Is called cardiology. Ecology is nothing but study of relationship between organisms and the environment, is nothing but ecology. Next, paleontology. Paleontology is nothing but study of fossils and their distribution in time. Anthropology, study of apes and man. Actinobiology, study of radiation effects on organisms. Endocrinology, study of endocrine glands and their secretions, that is nothing but hormones. Agrostology is nothing but study of grasses. Immunology, study of resistance against infection. Okay, immunology, the study of resistance against infection. Molecular biology, study of life sciences on molecular level. Genetics, the study of heredity and variations. Eugenics, study of improvement of human race by applying laws of heredity. It applies both, that is nothing but before birth, and eugenics is related with future generation. Euthanics, study deals with the improvement of human race by improving the environment. Next, euthanics completed. Euphonics is nothing but study of improvement of human race by gene engineering or drug treatment, right? Hematology, study of blood. Angiology, study of blood vascular system. Enzymology, study of enzymes and their activities. Serology, study of blood serum. Hepatology, study of liver. Pulmonology, study of lungs. Morphology, study of, that is deals with the total general structures and forms. Anatomy, study of internal structures. Study of tissues is nothing but histology. Cytology, the study which deals with the cells and their organelles. Karyology, study which deals with the nucleus. Physiology is nothing but study deals with the functions of various parts with the organisms. Taxonomy, the study of nomenclature and classification of organisms. Embryology, the study of development of embryo and growth. Next, ophthalmology, study of eyes. Osteology, study of bones. Ophthalmology, so it's repeated again, and it is also repeated again here. Osteology, study of bones. Ontogeny, study of various life cycles, that is embryonic history. Syndesmology, study of bone joints and ligaments. Mammalogy, study of mammals. Limnology, study of snails. Pedology, study of different types of soils. Teratology, study of fetal malformations and monstrals. Gynecology, study of female reproductive organs. Andrology, study of male reproductive organs, right? And remember till your examination, and you will get you can score better in the examination. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.